For this exercise, we'll find the area of a trapezoid. Before we find the area, let's recall the formula for the area of a trapezoid, and that is A equals 1/2 times the height times the sum A plus B, where A plus B are the parallel sides of the trapezoid. To substitute, the height is 3 feet. So I have 1/2 times 3 feet times 8 feet plus 4 feet. Doing the addition inside the parentheses, I have 1/2 times 3 feet times 12 feet. And now I can multiply 1/2 times 3 times 12, which gives me 3 times 12 over 2, and my unit would be square feet. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So my area for the trapezoid is 18 square feet.